Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Let's discuss a hypothetical. What happens if you're subject to identity theft? This information is from the FTC, IdentityTheft.gov. What are you going to do in the event that there's identity theft? Well, what to do right away? Are you dealing with tax, medical, or child identity theft? 1, call the company where you know fraud occurred. 2, place a fraud alert and get your credit report. You can check these boxes and it'll give you additional information. You can go through, report identity theft to the FTC. And the reason this is important is once this information is into a database, they're going to use their software and they're going to use some tracking and they're going to try to match some type of pattern. And then they're going to inform you, me, public about this particular fraud. And I suspect their software systems are pretty quick in terms of identifying this stuff so they can get it out to the public to warn you about either some type of breach or something related to some scammer. You may choose to file a report with your local police department. If so, you're going to go to your local police office with a copy of your FTC identity theft report, government ID, etc. It's going to give you a walkthrough. It's going to give you a plan. After that, what do you do next? Take a deep breath and begin to repair the damage. Close new accounts, open in your name. Remove bogus charges from your accounts. Correct your credit report. Consider adding an extended fraud alert or credit freeze. Review your credit report often. Other possible steps? Depending on your situation, you might need to take additional steps, which include report a misused Social Security number, stop debt collectors from trying to collect debts you don't owe, replace government-issued IDs, clear your name of criminal charges. See how serious this can get. This could be a real pain in the butt if you think a debt collector is knocking on your door and they are out of line. Theft for certain accounts, for certain types of accounts, you might have to contact additional offices, utilities, phones, government benefits, checking accounts, student loans, the Small Business Administration, apartment or house rentals, investment accounts, bankruptcy filed in your name. Also forms of identity theft, tax identity theft, child identity theft, medical identity theft. Just an FYI, some things you just wouldn't think about. Somebody actually filing bankruptcy in your name. That is really, really over the top. Comment, let me know. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching. See you soon.